I never thought about gardening. I had a patch of grass that died every summer in the corner of my backyard, and I was tired of fixing it. Nothing would grow there. So, anything could be tried as an experiment. And we now had YouTube, where I could learn how to build garden beds and put soil in there and get them going. I had the sprinklers there, but they never seemed to help the patch of grass grow. So I put in 2 garden beds, positioned so that the sprinkler heads popped up in the middle. The kids were teenagers doing their teenage things, and I could spend all weekend uninterrupted in my garden. I borrowed my daughter's truck to pick up a load of real dirt. Then I planted vegetables and herbs from Bonnie Plants at the Home Depot. Nobody paid attention to that garden but me, and I was fine with that. Only then did I remember that my father and grandfather had done the exact same thing. My grandfather rented a garden plot to grow produce while keeping a manicured lawn at home. I remember processing lima beans in the back seat of our family station wagon, driving to Virginia Beach for vacation. My father was a corporate executive in Pittsburgh and found the time to also grow squash and zucchini deep in our backyard. He made sure to compost all our grass clippings. There must be some urge deep inside us to plant. We forgot about that for a while. The grocery shopping cart was invented in 1937. Before that, people only bought a few things that would fit in a basket that they would carry. They grew the bulk of things at home. Meat came from the butcher, milk and butter came from a dairy farm, and produce stands were next to every farm. Everybody canned fruits and veggies and stocked their own pantry. I live in Florida. I learned late that you should start with fruit trees. We have many that grow here, and it's always summer. Less maintenance and a much bigger payoff if you're willing to wait. Years and years of a bigger payoff with a little bit of care and maintenance. After finally planting fruit trees, I had to sell that house before I ate a single banana, a single papaya, starfruit, guanabana. I ate none of them. Oh, the trees were loaded, but the fruit was green, and I never tasted a bite. Somehow I've been blessed that my son was watching. That the house we ended up buying for him with his college funds had an extra city lot, like a mini football field with lots of sunshine. And somehow it took off. I am the most blessed person in the world. And when I go to incredible edible landscapes on the weekend, it's nothing but fun. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to figure this channel out, and we're going to have a lot of fun. There'll always be plants. There'll always be kids. And there'll always be me. So I hope you're good with that, because it's what we got. Cheers.